Alright, the title of this is My Future or Our Future. From what I see, my future plays itself like one big past. I wander around the world mainly by mind. It all goes so fast I can't even find what I'm looking for, find who I am, or from where I come. I go day by day, night by night. I try my best, I even fight harder, so hard I even forget when to stop. So I rest, maybe it's for the best, cause to me, life is just one big test. Repeating itself, replaying, to recite in our mind and remind us that there is a future, even for those people like me. Those who are lost and confused or bruised deep within their hearts and minds, and treat life like one simple rhyme, repeating and replaying, so many can decide their futures from what happened by their past.